If your Gmail inbox is overflowing and you're constantly scrolling through endless messages, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail, a super useful trick to keep your inbox clean and your workflow efficient. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your Gmail account. At the very top, you'll see the search bar. On the right-hand side of that bar, there's a small downward facing arrow. This is your search options button. Click on it. This opens a panel that lets you filter emails using different conditions like from, to, subject, and more. In the from field, type the email address of the sender whose messages you want Gmail to automatically sort. Maybe it's your boss, a client, or a newsletter you always read. If you only want to move emails with attachments, you can also check the Has Attachment option. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Now, at the bottom right of this panel, click on Create Filter. This takes you to the next step, where you tell Gmail what to do with those emails. A new window appears with several checkboxes. Here, tick Apply the label. Then click on Choose Label. If you already have a label, which is basically Gmail's version of a folder, select it from the list. If not, click New Label, give it a name like Work, Newsletters, or Clients, and hit Create. Before finishing, make sure everything looks right. Then click on Create Filter again. And that's it. From now on, any new emails from that sender will skip your main inbox and go straight into the folder you chose. It's automatic, effortless, and a huge time saver once you start using it. Keeping your Gmail organized doesn't have to be a chore. And with filters like these, it basically runs itself. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials that make your digital life simpler and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.